magbahog na ta sa tong mga sa tubaka. Magbahog na. Okay, so we'll have to feed the cows. So follow me. Okay, and I will be also learning how to drive the tractor. So that's how it is here. Oops. So ba ni nagbalintong-balintong man eh. So here's the quad, no? Pag drive sa quad, dali ra kaning quad. This quad is easy. You just go drive. Rear park. No. K. L. What's L? I don't know what's L. Or maybe I don't know. L is large or low. Oh, low. Now I get it. Kinatugnawan ka ajo God. Kinatugnawan ka ajo. That's the iskidu there. Okay. One sec.
Wow.
Oh. But again, since dili kay baga, no, the snow is not that thick. We cannot play the iskidu. Oh, mga daghan na itong pagkaon ng fish dito. Hello, hello. Today I'm learning a new skill, and that is to drive a tractor. Okay, so that's the bale. To feed the cows. Okay, I'm going now inside the tractor. See you later. Okay, so this is Mr. Winecup here, my boss, my lover, my driver, and he is feeding the cows, right? Okay, flat tire, so we have to go fast.
Oh no!
So yeah, tire is broken, and Darren is fixing it in the shop. Mystery. So let's go now and maybe grant some wishes in our wish tree. So now we're going to our wish tree. This tree will be here throughout the year because the wishes will be put here, and we put the date, when is it requested, and also when is the wish will be granted. First wish here. Wish is from, it says here, Dear Juem, I would like to have a computer for my business. Erica of Manila. Right away, this Erica is a young entrepreneur. And she is make YouTube. So just in case you want to make some YouTube or website, call Erica and she just do it for now in her cell phone. That her wish will be granted today. And this request, she requested this wish last December 25th, 2020. So, seems like we have still spaces for wishes, and seems like the wishes are granted. Oh, by the way, there's more wish. Okay, there's more wish. I'm excited for this wish because, you know, this person we grant the wish, and she almost faint. Parang nahimatay kasi hindi niya akalain, she did not expect that her wish, part of her wish will be granted. So this is the wish of that lady named Rebecca, where she did not expect that her wish will be granted, part of her wish. I will show you why part of her wish. Dear Joanne, my wish is to have a complete teeth or beautiful teeth so I can smile and gain confidence, more confidence while preaching the word of God. So Rebecca has no teeth, but before granting the wish of Rebecca, we have to educate Rebecca because Rebecca looks young, but how come she loses those teeth? Okay, so thank you for watching and write down your wishes. And I hope you subscribe, just like others say subscribe. But you know what? It doesn't matter if you subscribe, but just send your wishes below. And who knows, somewhere in other part of the world, or me, or my team, might able to grant your wish. Thank you. Thank you for watching. God bless. Have a good day. Enjoy.